perspective, from a music theory perspective. Because if you look at sound from a musical perspective, you have to get into the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales. Primarily the diatonic scales was like extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. You know, why is there a low, why E chord is a low E and a high E? It's an octave. What is amplitude? What causes amplitude? You know, what causes frequency? And when there's a force, let's take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, the force creates an impact.
Oh my gosh!
It's the impact. You play a note on an instrument. What determines amplitude or emerges and frequency? What determines acceleration? And what determines the force creates a momentum? What determines velocity? What is the sound energy trajectory that occurs? And then so we taking a physics analysis 700 plus miles an hour. We're not looking at sound from a music perspective, from a music theory. Sound is illustrated in a two-dimensional surface. If you look at sound from a musical perspective, from a three-dimensional perspective, the chromatic scales and expanding scales. Primarily the diatonic scales are extracted from we have the chromatic scales to form the musical that propagates at 700 miles an hour. That's amplitude. What frequency is that?